Emergency broadcast alert. Do not ignore. This is a nationwide cellular network advisory. If your phone made a sound between 3:00 a.m. and 3:07 a.m. resembling a distorted dial-up tone mixed with whispering static, do not answer, do not reply, do not speak. If the screen briefly flashed white or displayed a contact name you don't recognize, even for a split second, your phone has been marked. We don't know who started it, but we know it spreads through saved contacts. The first case was recorded in late 2022. A man in Indiana received a call at 3:04 a.m. He didn't pick up, but 2 days later, he disappeared. His family received messages from him, only it wasn't him. The grammar was slightly off. The emoji usage was unnatural. His dog refused to go near the phone. When the authorities pinged his location, they found 2 identical signals, one in his home, the other in an abandoned building 6 miles away. Both phones were transmitting the same texts, seconds apart. If your phone makes that noise, do the following immediately. Turn off Wi-Fi, delete your recent call log. Most importantly, go through your contacts. Anyone who has no last name, who you don't remember saving, who never calls but shows up online at exactly 3:17 a.m., delete them. One user deleted a contact named Mom because she remembered never saving her mother's number manually. The next night she received a voicemail. It was her mother's voice but reversed, and in the background she heard her own voice screaming. The noise isn't random. It's a handshake, a signal, not from your service provider, but from something trying to map itself through your network. It doesn't just copy voices, it mimics behavior, preferences, tone. You might already be texting with it. If your friends say you've been dry lately, that your texts feel off, check your typing history. If words you never use start autofilling, your phone might be ahead of you. Some have tried factory resets. It doesn't work. If you've heard the sound, the infection is already deeper, below your OS, below the code. It rides the signal, and it remembers every name you've ever saved. Even if you delete them, it remembers. The only safety is distance. Ditch your SIM card. Change your number. Warn others using a new device. Never by text, because if it calls again and you answer, the next voice on the line won't be yours.